All right, round two. All kinds of food here, as you can see. All the way from Iowa. So there's, I said, you can't get them all. I try to get as many as I can. Have a cool one right here. For sale. Falcon. Couple over here. It's a nice one right here. I think that's a Nomad, I think. No. 7. Yeah, these are nice. I love these. This is a great show. Nice one. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So we should open the hood. This was a Nova convertible. Wow. I think in Spanish that meant no go or something. It's a 63. That's worth some money. That's cool as hell. It's a nice one. Thunderbird.
Look at the.
Yeah, 50%. This one for sale. 414-902-3831. Nice. That's nice. That's a nice vehicle. I love these old big dogs. And I always like the tow trucks over here. And they got music over there. Gotta be careful. We met by accident. Shorty's towing service. That's a go big dogs. And there's a lot of music, so I gotta be careful. I love the go-kart. Nice. Midget. Century Motor Freight. Wow. gotta make sure I get away from this behavior of Bob Seger. Oh, time moves on. That's right. So I gotta get away from that so we don't have problem with music in there. Get over here. It'll pick it up. 57. It's a nice one. Oh my, look at that. Oh my God. 1931. I think they got to be older, at least 67, so you see a lot of 65 Chevy Impalas you'll see around. And they cruise around the whole time. So yeah, so we kind of got away from that music. So it's a beautiful day, 20th day to be doing this behavior. It's great. Just gotta stay away from the music and people cruise around all over the place. So like I said, my DJI 4 getting repaired. Just, they're shipping it back. Allegedly they fixed it. So all right, let's go over here. So I love these old motors. Love the batteries right here. Grand Prix. That's a nice engine. Nice. Oh yeah. Some keep them original, some don't. So let's turn around. Let's head back up over here. That's the haunted house in the State Fair right there. You always have that. So. That's a nice little car right there. Buick. Nice. There's all much room in that back seat. Nice crowd here today. Tomorrow it's gonna be hot. So. This is a cool little one right here. music going on. Well, let's walk away from that stuff. It's too bad I can't walk over there. I'm gonna hear the music here. Got a cruise over here. Miami Beach. Nice. All right, little army right here. Card Club tours. It's kind of a cool vehicle. Camp Riley. Pretty loud music. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one.